Hello everyone, this is Orko and welcome to my new English playlist. So in this playlist, we're gonna talk about all the SQL problems in HackerRank. As you all know, HackerRank is a really good website where you can solve problem and develop your skills. So here is the HackerRank SQL problem page. So as you can see, there are about 50 problems, all including easy, medium and hard level. We're going to start with the easy ones. Eventually, we'll get into the medium and hard ones. I will walk you through all the problem statements. I will help you understand all the problem statements and also help you how to think about the solution. At last, I will solve the query and also help you submit that problem. So eventually, if you follow this playlist, you will have about 50 problems solved in HackerRank, and eventually you will get 2 or 3 badges which you can put into your LinkedIn profile. So I guess it will be a really good kickstart for your next job interview, and definitely solving this problem will help you get your first job. So stay tuned and follow the playlist. Bye.